Hey everybody, it's Rob. I was watching Project Farm the other day. They did a review of skillets, about 15 or 16 ones. They did not include Mainstays because you can get a set of 3 skillets for like $11 at Walmart. These are really inexpensive, low-cost skillets. I thought I would do a review. At the end of the video, I'll show you where I cooked an egg in 3 minutes, just like they did on the Project Farm. These are made out of aluminum. They're non-PFO. You can't use them on induction stove, but you can use them in your washing machine. Uh, you don't want to use metal instruments though. It's got 2 coats of whatever nonstick coating it is. It's not PFOA. This is your omelet pan. It's a 7-inch. You get a 7, 9, and 11-inch skillet for the $11. This is pretty even. When I put liquid in there, it's even. However, the 9-inch skillet, it's not quite even. There's a little bit of a hump in the middle, and the big one, you can just look at it. There's something wrong. Something wrong with with this fella. I think there's a big dent here, and this looks like maybe someone has used it as a blunt instrument. Um, but if you're frying up some chicken, or you're not making pancake or something, I think you'll be fine. How long these will last, I have no idea. I have found when I use my nonstick skillets, if I use medium or lower heat, I have very few, if ever, any issues with my nonstick coating from cooking. It's usually from using metal instruments and so on. The pans last a lot longer when you don't use high heat. Also, you have less likely chance of off-gassing any toxic fumes from whatever coating they have. Because I know whatever replacements they put, it's probably 10 years later you find out they're some kind of, endocrine disruptor or something, like. But it's don't want to do that. But we're gonna do it anyway. They don't come with lids, but for $11, 3 pans, if you're a student or somebody starting out, don't have a lot of money, I haven't seen any problem. I'll show you right now how I cooked an egg with mine, and how I didn't stick at all. And you make up your own mind. But if you have money, you might want to look at the Project Farm video that was made by the guy, and I really like his channel and his reviews. He has some good recommendations for some little more expensive pans, but for $11, how long they're gonna last, I don't know, but I'm pretty happy with what I've had, the results so far. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.